Sinong personality are you trying to imply on your text?
May right to remain silent po.
Kasi simple lang naman yung tinatanong ko kung sino yung mga, ano to, malalaking tao ba ng mga Chinese? O malalaking tao ng mga Pilipino? Mga politician ba ang sinasabi mong ayaw mo ma-involve sa away ng malalaking tao? Ano nag-recruit sa'yo sa Lucky South 99?
I refuse to testify po.
Sure.
Session.
This is your last warning.
Please,
You are coaching your client.
Yeah, please stop whispering, no? Please stop. And Cassie, I have to remind you as well, I have to remind you as well that this involves human trafficking. No bail yan. No bail. Sana tulungan mo gobyerno kasi sabi mo Pilipina ka. 'Di ba? And I will be submitting all the documentary evidences in a while because you don't want to answer eh. Ay lang. It's about Cassie, ganito ka simple. Cassie, listen, please. Stop whispering to her. Stop. Pabayaan natin siya mag-isip ng sarili niya. Malaki na si Cassie. She knows what to answer. And we will be helping you. Remember, when I told you over the phone, we will help you. Just cooperate. Be truthful. Be honest. You are a Pilipina. Di ba? Maaring hindi ikaw ay kasalanan. Katulad ng tinext mo sa akin. Ayaw mong maipit sa mga nag-uumpog at malalaking patong yan. You tell us. Samahan mo kami. Tandaan mo lahat ng mga tao na kapaligid sa'yo. Meron mga sariling interest yan. You think about yourself. You think about your own interest. Yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo, may sariling interest. We want to help you. Honestly, when you texted me, na sinabi mo sa akin na may nag-uumpugang malaking bato, I really don't want to answer back. You know why? I want you to reveal that in here. But if you cannot reveal it right away, you talk to us. Tayo lang. Lalabas tayo dito. Pupunta tayo sa likod. Pag-usapan natin. Pero tumulong ka sa amin, tumulong ka sa bayan. Nakita mo yung mga taong namatay. Di ba? So you can save yourself. Please. Please. Kapag bayaan mo ganito, sagot ka ng sagot ng ganyan, ikaw matitiyan dito. This can be used against you. I'm telling you. You're not answering rightly. Yeah. Tulungan mo sarili mo. If you want to avail an executive session without anybody behind you or surrounds you, tayo lang. Kami lang. You want? Sige. But again, we will be warning you. The Filipino people are watching right now. And your answer to them is not acceptable. Maraming namatay. Maraming buhay na wala ng trabaho. You can still save yourself. If you are about to think it over yourself, ikaw lang. Huwag ka na magsama ng mga tao sa paligid mo. I'm telling you, their own interest is their priority, not yours. Mr. Chair, the resource speaker is asking for a time for herself. And I think when she said that, it's incumbent upon everybody to respect that. So, let her think by herself. Huwag na nating isama itong mga nakapalibot dito. Nakukonfuse yung bata eh. She's still so young. 24 years old.